JetBlue Airways welcomes you to New York, John F. Kennedy Airport. Local time is 3:36. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. If this is your final destination on JetBlue, your checked baggage may be claimed at carousel number 2 on the lower level. If you have a bag tag receipt that says claim at gate, you may claim those items outside the front aircraft door. For those customers needing special assistance to claiming the aircraft, please remain comfortably seated once we arrive at the gate so we may better assist you. At this time, you're welcome to use your cell phone if it is readily accessible. If you're connecting to another JetBlue flight and would like to check on its status, you may visit JetBlue.com from your mobile device. Book your next vacation with JetBlue Getaways, and you can easily find great deals on flights, hotels, rental cars, and more. Choose from many exciting destinations, plus earn TrueBlue points toward your next trip. TrueBlue, JetBlue's rewards program, allows members to earn award flights and book any seat, any time, with no blackout dates. To join TrueBlue or book your next vacation, please visit JetBlue.com. On behalf of all of us at JetBlue Airways, thank you for joining us today. We hope you'll fly with us again soon.